Not need only
Economical,
because this is part of your life.
Yeah.
Economically is part of your
Men's
life.
are not in the house to eat only, Dilip sir. You have to take some
Caring and
responsibilities.
sharing.
Caring and sharing.
Caring and sharing and making also.
Making food.
Making is better.
Suppose think about the festival that in USA, if you are celebrating the Diwali, men has to work in the kitchen also.
Yeah. Men prepare so many sweets in kitchen.
Yeah.
Suppose gulab jamun, ladus, chaklis. Men also help with
The woman in the house,
women
ladies in the house.
Ladies in the house, and both when they both come together and make some sweets, prepare some sweets. There is also lovable things also there.
Okay.
And
You can help in the food.
there is not only stress on housewife ladies.
Yeah.
She also enjoy making so many things.
In Diwali, we women are having so many work.
Women are
They
so
have
many
so many
work.
works.
And
5 days.
Full 5 days they are too busy.
5
Too
days.
busy.
Too busy because
There is
all days,
clean
all
house.
days making a different things and
Decorate
and,
house.
and different gods we
Worship.
you have to worship.
We have to worship.
At the means each day different god you have to
Worship.
worship. Means in Lakshmi Puja, I think we have you worship for the Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi.
all days
Important.
Busy.
सजावट वेगळी असते.
Decoration.
Different days is decoration is different.
Who decorate your house? You yourself or anyone is there to help you?
Only
Only yes,
because,
only me.
because my husband don't know anyone.
Anyone.
Only they bring
Things whatever you do.
but they
Don't help. Only take the remote of the TV and watching the news channel.
Yes.
That is most important.
That is what important.
Only sit like this.
Like this.
And watching how you
Make the idol of this and start worshipping. He is one type of god.
Holidays.